Toys R Us sale event here in Festival Mall mga ka-treasure. So let's check it out to see kung meron tayong mga makikitang pang medyo adult age na toys. Kasi right now, as you can see, most of the toys that are on sale are for kids. Like the books, like stuffed toys, like some building blocks. Merong mga Hot Wheels, yeah, like this, na kino-collect din ng mga young adults to adults collectors. So medyo hindi naman siya top tier and mga limited edition, but still for those starters pwede na yan. May mga Harry Potter din dito na diorama like. Then ayan, as I said, mga kids toys then dolls for younger people or young kids. Ayan, may mga Funko din pero hindi ganun ka-rare. So hindi siya ganun ka-good for collector like myself. But toys in general, so ayan, marami, 500 pesos, 300 meron pa nga, and there are really good deals like buy one take one, and there are lots of big sales na meron dito. So may mga bags din for kids, building blocks, remote control AC cars, or yan, yung mga nakikita nyong truck items or truck toys, mga stuffed toys, teddy bears. Yeah, for mostly kids. So overall, ang event na ito is, well, for me, it's really for kids. Then prep yan for the upcoming Christmas season. So yung mga gustong mamili for their kids, you can visit them here in Festival Mall. Pero for those young collectors or adult collectors, I think this is not a place for us. So yan, na-share ka lang. See ya.